All right, here we go. We're going to attempt banana ice cream with crushed golden Oreos and chopped up Hershey bars, because everything's better with a Hershey bar. So let me grab the main ingredients. We're doing a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream, and a cup and a half of whole milk, because I found yesterday's was really heavy with all that heavy cream. So we've got a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream, a cup and a half of whole milk, teaspoon of vanilla, and now we're going to take our bananas, put them in our manual food processor, and mash them up. Figured this was a good use because we had some slightly overripe bananas, and if your kids are anything like my kids, they don't touch bananas once they're past their prime. So I don't want to really puree these too much. I do want a little bit of banana chunks in my ice cream because I like things a little chunky. So I'd say that's good enough. Yeah, a little chunky. You can call this a new ice cream flavor I'm making, Chunky Monkey. All right, so we're gonna dump, let me get this bowl over here where you guys can see it. Hi, Jamie. Yes, I have no head. I don't want my face in these videos. I hate being on video. So here. Hi, Jamie. All right, get that in there. We need to throw in, I probably should have put the sugar in first, but oh well. Cup of sugar. You want to make sure that sugar is kind of dissolving. I thought you were napping, Danny. Hi, Danny. You're supposed to be napping. Hi, Becky. So, dissolving this wonderful sugar. All right, and we're going to grab the ice cream bowl, which has been chilling in my freezer overnight. I've been keeping the freezer at the lowest possible temperature. I find doing that is making my ice cream come together faster because, you know, I don't want to wait for ice cream. Let's see, let's lock this top on. Come on. All right, hold on. Blade in. Where are we going here? There we go. Locked on. Power on. Last time I set it for 35 minutes, but it was done in like 28, so I'm going to set it for 30. Can you guys all see this? Let's turn it this way so you guys can see. Well, Jamie, if banana ice cream is your favorite, maybe you ought to move back to Broward. Just a thought. Oops, kind of running it down the side of the bowl there, but it's okay. You guys all see my blocking. All right. So I'm going to let that go. While that's going, I'm going to take our food chopper, chop up these Oreos and Hershey bars. And again, I want chunks, so just a little. There we go. And I think with the Hershey bars, I want them a little bit smaller than that. And yes, girls, these are Hershey bars with almonds. You know that. There we go. Now, I'm not going to put the chocolate or the cookies in till after the ice cream is set up. So you guys come on back in about 28 minutes, and we'll pick up where we're leaving off. Bye, guys. All right, how do I get this finish button?